Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com groups, a powerful tool for team collaboration and task management. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and managing groups, assigning tasks, and tracking progress. First, let's start with the basics. A group in Monday.com is a collection of boards, items, and tasks that are related to a specific project or team. To create a new group, navigate to the Groups tab and click on the Create Group button. Give your group a name and description, and add members to the group by typing in their email addresses or selecting them from the list of existing users. Once you have created a group, you can start adding boards to it. A board is a visual representation of a project or workflow, and it consists of items and tasks. To add a board to a group, navigate to the Boards tab and click on the Create Board button. Choose a template or start from scratch, and add columns, items, and tasks to the board. Assigning tasks to team members is a crucial part of using Monday.com groups. To assign a task, click on the item or task and select the assignee from the list of group members. You can also add due dates, descriptions, and attachments to tasks to provide more context. To track progress and stay on top of tasks, use the dashboard feature in Monday.com. The dashboard provides a high-level view of all the boards and tasks in your group, and it allows you to filter and sort tasks by status, due date, and assignee. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include setting clear goals and objectives, assigning tasks and responsibilities clearly, and establishing a routine for checking and updating the dashboard. It's also important to communicate regularly with team members and stakeholders, and to use the reporting features in Monday.com to track progress and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, Monday.com groups are a powerful tool for team collaboration and task management. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create and manage groups, assign tasks, and track progress. Remember to set clear goals and objectives, communicate regularly with team members, and use the reporting features to track progress and identify areas for improvement. With Monday.com groups, you can streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and achieve your goals more efficiently.